Ever wondered how to empower your visitors with instant answers and reduce support inquiries? Look no further than a well-designed fact section. First, navigate to your Elementor dashboard and open the page where you'd like to add your fact section. You can also create a new page specifically for it. Within the Elementor editor, locate the Widgets panel. For an interactive fact, we recommend searching for and dragging the Accordion or toggle widget onto your page. Once placed, you'll see default items. Click on each item to customize its title with your question and its content with the answer. Add more items by clicking Add Item for additional questions. Now, let's make it visually appealing. Switch to the Style tab here. You can adjust typography, text colors, background colors, and borders to match your website's aesthetic. To truly enhance user experience, go to the Advanced tab. Explore options like motion effects to add subtle animations when the fact section is scrolled into view or when an item is expanded. Ensure your fact looks great on all devices by checking the responsive settings. Elementor allows you to adjust spacing and font sizes for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Once satisfied with your design, click the Update or Publish button, then preview your page to see your interactive fact in action, providing quick answers to common queries. A well-crafted fact section not only streamlines information delivery but also builds trust and reduces the need for direct support. Simplify your website, one question at a time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Elementor tutorials.